In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in and navigate your Hostinger HPanel like a pro. Whether you're a beginner or managing multiple websites, understanding the HPanel is key to running your online presence smoothly. First, open your web browser and go to hostinger.com. Once on the home page, look to the top right corner and click the login button. Enter your email and password carefully and click login. Make sure there are no typos, as even small mistakes can prevent access. Once logged in, you land on the HPanel dashboard, Hostinger's command center. From here, you can easily manage websites, domains, billing, and hosting plans, all from a single organized interface. The Websites tab lets you oversee multiple sites, tweak settings, or add new ones. The Domains section allows you to manage names, update DNS settings, or transfer domains. In billing, you can review invoices, update payments, and monitor expenses. And the hosting plans area lets you scale resources or upgrade your hosting as your website grows. And that's it. With these basics, you can confidently log in and navigate your Hostinger account, ensuring smooth management of your online services. If this guide helped you, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tutorials.